Hello?
Oh, hi. One moment, please. Hello?
Hello?
Hi, can I speak to Mahedin
Yeah, you're speaking.
Comder?
Yeah, that's me.
Yes, hi. Yes, hi. This is Angela from the Children's Aid. I'm calling from Toronto, Canada.
Yeah, where are you coming? Where are you
Can you
from?
hear? I'm calling from. I'm calling from Toronto, Canada. I'm calling from the Children's Aid Society.
Oh,
You
okay.
had made a call to us.
Yeah, yeah,
Yeah?
absolutely. Yeah.
Oh, okay. So I'm just following up with you. I'm this assigned worker.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
Perfect.
So just want to let you know that I know you had made some concerns about your son and the mother's care for him.
Yep.
So I just want to let you know I have gone out and met with your son and met with your son's mother. At this point, I mean, we are not having any worries right now.
Oh, okay.
Okay, so I
They're,
just want to let you
so they're physically okay.
know. Yes, they are okay.
And are they mentally okay as well?
Sorry?
Are they mentally okay as well? Hello?
I'm not able to hear you clearly.
Okay,
Sorry, what did you ask?
I'm asking about their mental well-being. Are they doing okay mentally as well?
Well, I'm not a doctor, okay? So
Oh, okay.
as far as me going out and speaking to your son, I did not hear any concerns about his care. He was doing good. He was doing online schooling, and speaking to mother, she presented well, and I did not have any other concerns. That's how much I can tell you. As I said, I'm not a doctor to provide any specific mental health concerns.
That's
As far
perfect.
as me going out and meeting with them, they presented well put together. I had no worries.
Okay, so if I may ask about your name again?
Sorry, my name?
Yep.
Yeah, it's Angela.
Angela. Perfect. So,
Yeah, Angela, and I'm going to give you my number and everything, okay? So my name is Angela Jayachandran from the Children's Aid Society. My number is 416
yeah,
924
yeah.
4646, and my extension is 2275.
Perfect, Angela. And do you by any chance happen to be around them?
No.
I just wanted to speak with my son, which I
No.
could not do for like 4 months.
No. I met with him last week. And just because of the time difference and for us to make a call to you, I can't make a call to you directly. I have to go through our IT department and stuff. So this is the first day that I was able to reach you.
Oh, that's good to hear. And I have one more question. I mean, are you aware that
Yeah, absolutely.
my son is having to attend the classes after midnight of Toronto time?
So he started school here in Toronto. Okay, so he's attending school here.
Oh, okay. But he actually was compelled to like do his online classes in December after midnight.
So I understand it was just 1 or 2 days that he was just doing it prior to school, but now he's already registered here and he's doing school here. So that's not happening as far as I understand right now.
Okay, perfect. So he's
You're
doing.
speaking about something in December. Yeah.
Yeah, that's correct. So he's doing okay. That's good to hear.
Yeah. What can you tell me about? I know you had said some things about mom. So
I did not understand your question. Can you rephrase it for me?
yeah, no. I asked you, what can you tell me about your worries for the mother? I know you had said some things initially when you had called us.
Yeah, I reported on a few things that happened, and I'm sure you got them on the record.
Okay.
If you want to hear again now.
Yeah.
So the mother actually beats the
No,
son.
it's just the same thing, nothing new.
Okay. So my concern is the mother actually beats the son, and she retaliates on the son
Mm-hmm.
about me. And that is how they are there and I'm
Okay.
here.
Okay.
So
Okay.
without my
Okay.
consent,
As I said,
yeah,
yeah, go ahead.
yeah, without my consent, I mean, he was taken away, and right before they went, they actually filed a few cases here and there just to block me from like doing anything and to be stuck here. So I just wanted to know like my son is being treated well, and that he's not under the same similar kind of treatment that has happened all his life before.
Okay. Okay. So, as I said, me meeting with your son, I did not hear any worries from him about his mother's care on him. He did not talk about any beating or anything. As far as her taking him without your knowledge, unfortunately, that's not something we get involved in. I believe you guys are in court, so that's something you will figure out with the court.
I'm not talking about the custody. I
Okay?
was concerned about my son's welfare, which you ensured me, which is brilliant. But at the same time, you said you are not
Mm-hmm.
an expert on mental health, where all the concerns are really, mostly, apart from the physical abuse which happened here in Bangladesh all my son's life. So, yeah, so to check up on the mental well being, I mean, is there anything that Toronto CAS can do?
So as I said, in me going and meeting with her, as I said, I'm not a doctor, but as far as me interviewing her, speaking to your son, and figuring out how your son's cared for, I did not have any inclination that there's any worries about her mental health.
Okay, I'm
Okay.
sorry. I'm sorry to ask this question again because the impression I was given by my caseworker from Missing Kids Canada, she actually said a person who is a specialist in understanding the mental well-being will be there because this is a sensitive issue and the child is a minor. So I was expecting, as they said, that's why I kept on asking you this.
Sorry. Can you repeat that again? Impression given from whom?
From Missing Kids Canada, case officer who's been speaking with me.
Missing kids, you said?
Yeah.
Okay.
So, are you aware how Toronto Cast got this information about me asking to check whether my son is doing okay or not?
So you had, I believe, called the society and
Yeah,
reported
absolutely.
that
So I
you
was I
had.
was referred by
Yeah,
Missing
that's
Kids.
all I'm aware. I don't know about the
Oh, okay,
Missing Kids
okay,
Canada. I
okay,
don't know about that.
okay. So maybe I was given a different perspective as well.
Okay, so are you in a position to tell me what this Missing Kids Canada is about, or
Oh, that's the government.
because all we understand is from you that you had made a call to the society to report your worries, and that's what started this
Yeah. So
investigation. And I had gone out to see them, but I'm not aware about this Missing Kids Canada. Are you? What's that about? You're connected with them right now, or what is that?
yeah, they're the first agency who responded, and to my understanding from Googling, I understand they're the government child care
Mm-hmm.
protection agency or the hub. They actually referred me about CAS, really. So I thought they actually passed on the
Oh, okay.
information there as well because they were saying like this is how they're gonna treat. So they will take care of the sensitive issues as
Oh,
such, the mental well-being of a minor as well. So I was thinking
okay.
like these
Okay. No.
informations are being transferred between these two agencies. So I did not know that you are not aware.
Oh,
I'm sorry about it.
yeah. No worries. Yeah, we were not. I mean, I guess you just spoke to them and they gave you information. That's it. They never called us, so we just got the report from you. And as I said,
Yeah.
me going out and speaking to your son, speaking to your son's mother, and I didn't have any
So
worries
I
at
do
that
understand
point.
really,
Okay.
Angela, where you're coming from. I'm sure like you are thinking whether it is a dispute between the families and that's where it started. I'm sure like that is
Mm.
what you're trying to tell me here. Yeah, that's fine. What I'm saying is if I raise my concern about checking up my son's well-being, is that going to be too much to ask from
Mm-hmm.
Cass?
No, and I don't think that's too much to ask, and I don't think I'm telling you that this is what I'm thinking, that it's because of the conflict. I don't think I mentioned that at any point. All I'm saying is you had reported two concerns and me going out and meeting with your son and his mother. I did not hear any worries. That's all I'm saying. But for the rest, I mean, I guess you just have to deal with it at court. That's all I'm telling you.
No, that's fine. So on top of that, I understand the custody is supposed
our
to be taken.
agency is when there is a worry for children's well-being, you have a right to call us, and that's what you did. And when we receive a call, we have a duty to go and make sure everything's okay, and that's what happened. And I'm just telling you as a follow-up call, when we receive a call, then we do speak to both parents. And that's why I made a call to you to let you know the file was open. I went out and met with your son and with his mother, and at this point, I'm not having any worries. That's what I'm
Perfect.
telling you.
Thank you very much for that. So, yeah, so if I raise
No problem.
the concern before the case closes with Cass, since I'm trying to emphasize on the mental well-being, which is a very big matter here, because I know I have lived with them until they left here, Bangladesh, right? So can I actually raise that concern and request you to like place the assessment or something that you can help me with, the child with?
Sorry, come again. So your phone is cutting a little. So
I'm
you're
sorry about the
talking
connection.
About the mental health well-being. What is that? What are your worries? What are you saying about that?
Okay, my son has been traumatized for the last 3 years.
Mm-hmm.
And
And how has he been traumatized?
it's in my report.
Okay. About her hitting him while taking a bath and the pinching of the stomach. Is that what you talked about?
There is one incident
there
where I was
anything
asked
further?
if there could be any mark on his body. That is not
Okay.
the only time he was
Okay.
beaten. He was beaten almost every day. And lately, my son would not want to hug me in front of the mother, but when the mother would not be around, he would just be on my lap.
Okay.
I reported this before, and I tried to emphasize on the sensitivity of the issue here, because I understand, like the mental well-being here is very important because she is suicidal and she beats the son. This is where my fear is. This is a deadly combination. That's why I'm trying to place the request again. So if you may place that request on behalf
And
of me.
what are your expectations from us? What do you expect us to do?
My son to be happy, and since you said you're an agency who looks after the welfare of the child, I want to know if he's doing okay mentally as well.
That's what I'm telling you. He is doing good.
But you said you are not an expert or you're not a doctor.
I'm repeating myself.
So is there...
Yeah, I'm repeating myself. Sorry?
Yeah, at the same time you said you are not the right person, you are not the expert to like assess the mental well-being.
I said I'm not a doctor to know about. You said about the mother and her mental health. As I said, I'm not a doctor to deal with that.
No. I'm talking about the child's mental well-being.
That as far as your son and your worries about the hitting or about mom, she presents were put together. She was able to answer everything. There was no worries to suggest that something's going on.
So if I place a request to Cass to focus on the child's mental well-being by appointing a child specialist who can assess or understand the well-being of the child, is that going to be too much?
So
That was, yeah.
No. So as I said, right now, hello, can you hear me?
I can hear you. Yeah.
Hello?
Yes, I can hear you.
Because suddenly it went. Oh, okay. It's not very clear, so I just wanted to check. So I'm explaining to you right now, me going out and meeting with your child, there's nothing to suggest he's in stress or he's anxious or he's worried, that he's not safe in his home, none of that. He seems to be doing really well. I don't have any worries. And as I also said, he's already started school. He's attending online school. Hopefully this week, in-person school will begin. He'll start attending in-person school. So he seems to be doing well. At this point, I have no worries that there's anything further to assess for him.
I got from your answer. Thank you very much, Angela. I can't thank you enough.
Okay.
Thank you very much. I think that's all for now.
No worries. Any other questions?
Not at all.
Thank you. You take care.
You have a great day.
Oh,
Bye.
you too.